The prophetic, when you look at the Bible, kings and queens, prophets, they move together. Prophet always pray for kings. So a day of celebration like this, we have to go and now celebrate with him for 20 good years anniversary. So it is just a wonderful day. We give glory to God that who kept him to see this day, because it's not easy as a king to rule Ogla kingdom. It is not easy. So we have to now, to support him in prayers. My prayer for him is, may God give him long life, God give him wisdom, knowledge to rule his people. That is my prayer for him, because what God has given to King Solomon, that's what my prayer for him. Let God give him wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, and long life. That is my prayer for him. God bless you, and those who are watching, right, Prophet Jeremiah Momodu Fufui, we are back from the 80th anniversary Ogla Kingdom. It is not easy. God bless you, Ogla Kingdom. Live long, Ogla Kingdom, and also live long, Niger Delta. Live long, Nigeria. Live long, Delta State. God bless you. I am Prophet Jeremiah Momodu Fufui. Once again, your prophet. Salam.